when you have to work with your coaches, what are the criteria that you look for in your coaches to see that, when you notice them, you know that they can be successful?
Very good question. So a lot of time people feel that successful बनने के लिए ना potential होना चाहिए, skill होना चाहिए, talent होना चाहिए. All these are secondary. The only one thing I look in every of my client is how much risk they are ready to take on their own. For example, Kavya, before joining me, she was one of the top anchors. But she wanted to do something more. She wanted to become international level anchor. She wanted to become a best-selling author. She wanted to come on television. And for that, she was ready to take a bet on herself. In your case, Radhika, when we met in December 2021, तभी CXO incubator का idea was not there. But you were still ready to take a bet on yourself. So basically, when I feel that a person hires a coach, he is not trusting the coach. He is trusting themselves. The way you have trusted, the way Kavya and the way all of my clients are, they are first trusting themselves, and that trust and that risk on themselves makes them successful.